Hi, for this episode, you need a paper, you need a ruler, and you need a pencil, pen, or a marker. So, this is my own creation. It's a paper plane. It's pretty similar to a different plane, but there's few steps which are not added. So, let's get started. First, let's fold these two sides to each other to make a rectangle. Once you're happy with it, crease it. There. Open it back up. Fold one end to the other end to make a triangle, and do the same thing on the other side. Make sure there's no space in the middle. Now you get your ruler and mark 2 centimeters. Get the ruler and mark 2 centimeters, like I said. There. So now, since we have the mark, we can look at it, hold the edge, and then go down. Just where the crease, the black mark we made. There. We should have something like this. Now I'm going to do a guide fold, which this fold is not actually, we don't actually use this fold. It's just to guide this with our next fold. So fold it down this side, fold it down this side. Now open both of them back up, and with the lines we made, we have to follow the lines and then crease like this. Same on the other side. Now something like this we should get. Now we fold these two down together, which makes these two like this, and there should be like a big like a diamond, but not like a real diamond. So like a bit smaller than a diamond. So let's get started. Let's put this part up onto the top, so it should be hitting the top like this. Now when it is hitting the top, you take this part and fold it down, not any further. You should not see a triangle, just like this. There. You should have something like this. Now flip it and then go back, and then you should have something like this. Now, all the time you can't be accurate, so you've got to adjust it, and then once you're happy with the crease, now we have to make the wings. We fold it down across like this, making sure it doesn't go any further than this other line we got. Not like this, nor like this. Just right with the lines. Same thing on the other side. Sharp top. We need to have a sharp top so that this can fly. Now, open it up, crease it on the wings, crease it on the wings, and you have one of my favorite planes. It can fly really far. I'll give you a demo.